Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be filming my Christmas bedroom tour. I'm going to be tidying up and just showing you a quick preview of what I get up to during this process. Also, I'm wearing my teddy onesie. I got this from Donnell, which is a UK store. I'm not sure if it's abroad as well, but it's so cozy. And since I'm at home, I decided to put it on as it makes me feel at home and comfy. So here I'm just changing my bedding and I'm going for that winter feel, that cozy. I'm going for the silver, the grey, the sparkles, yeah, all sorts, the glitters and the glam. And I would be featuring my Christmas tree, just the small one for my bedroom. So I hope you enjoy this video. And also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. So here, I'm just gonna remove everything off my bed, and then I'm gonna clean the areas, my windows. I use spray, and then I just wipe it off, and I use a tea towel, paper towel, sorry, to clean it. And I got these curtains as a bargain from August. So I got two for the price of one, which is a great find. I will link it down below if I can still find it. So here I found this light mirror from Home Bargains, and it is such a great find. It gives the room that amazing glamorous feature, and I wish I had gotten like two more because it cost me like 11 quid. So here's the overview of my bedroom, all finished and nicely decorated for the Christmas. As you can see, it's all the greys, the whites, the champagne color. And here I found this plaque from B&M which says walking in a winter wonderland, which I thought was so cute. And I only paid £1 for that £1. So yes guys, this is my bedroom tour for the Christmas. Yes guys, so I do enjoy filming my bedroom tour. I do like going out and finding home decors that I can add to my bedrooms and any other rooms in my home. And yeah, it's just a great fun for me. So if you'd like to see anything else, you just leave your comments down below and your thumbs up. So I got this light shade from the range, and I'm sure it's under £20. If I do find the link, I will leave it in the description box below. So this is the overview of my bed and a few cushions, only two, and I have 4 pillows behind that. So I just try to create a luxurious feel on a budget because I do like doing stuff on a budget that looks glamorous and girly. So yeah. And also I got this mirror from the range. Oh my gosh, it's in silver and it's like the perfect size, and the width is amazing. Like, I really do love the feature that it brings to my bedroom. And here guys is my Christmas tree next to it. I did really enjoy decorating my Christmas tree. This year I'm really into the silver and the greys, so I thought this is what I wanted for my Christmas tree for my bedroom. So I thought this is the color I'm going to get. Some of the items, the crystal items, are from B&M and other different stores like Home Bargains, The Range, and different sorts. So I just created the experience just the way how I wanted it, and it turned out good. I am happy with how it turned out. So I hope you enjoy this as well, and I hope you find some inspiration with this. Here I have all the unicorns on my trees, and I also use, the snow spray. So it's in a can and you just spray it onto the tree, which is what I've done. So I did a DIY. And yeah, I really like my Christmas tree this year. It turned out amazing. And these candy canes, they're actually real sweets. So I just took them out and I just put them on just to add a bit more blue to my Christmas tree. Yeah, so there's the unicorns and the silvers and the greys and the glitter. Yeah, it's just perfect. I've also added like flowers in there as well. So I just created my absolute favorite Christmas tree this year. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I would love to also know what colors your Christmas trees are this year. And here I've just put out a few dresses that I will be wearing over the Christmas period, because I'm going out for dinner on Christmas Day. I'm also going out on Boxing Day, so I have 3 dresses out that I will be wearing throughout the Christmas, and they're all sparkly and nude shades. And yeah, I just thought I'll put them out and it will all match my bedroom at the same time. So here is a view of my full-length Christmas tree. It's like, is it 7 foot? No, 6 foot, sorry. And that's the overview of my bedroom. Guys, I'm telling you, I feel so cozy during the winter time in my bedroom. I just love spending time and sleeping in my bedroom with the Christmas tree on in the nighttime. It's just an amazing feel, and I do think you should try creating something in your bedroom that creates an experience in your bedroom that you would enjoy, because your sleep would be so much more peaceful and relaxing and just cozy for this winter period. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a happy Christmas. Bye.